Let's say you wrote a PR review skill that you use locally or on a GitHub action. You create that skill, you commit it to the repo, and then you set it up for your team to start using it. And then as more people use your beautiful skill, you realize it's not so beautiful. Now when this happens, you might notice their feedback as it rolls in with GitHub comments or messages in Slack. And so you head over to Claude Code, you point it to that feedback, and then you say, we gotta update the skill. There are a few problems with that strategy, and the main one is gonna be overfitting. Especially if you're looking at each bit of feedback independently, and doubly so if you're asking an agent to address that feedback. You end up with monkey patches on the skill that address each of these one by one, but they kind of miss the broader picture. The better strategy is to wait for the feedback to roll in, maybe a few days, maybe a week, so that you get enough data points to actually figure out what changes need to be made to the skill. Now this takes us to a very simple feedback loop, where we want some place to store that feedback, GitHub comments, Slack, wherever else. Every week we want to review that feedback, PR changes that we think are necessary to the skill, and then keep going. And for the review piece in particular, you'll want to reach for some sort of automations that the agent wakes up, has whatever tokens it needs to grab the feedback, and then give you an initial draft to start noodling on. And then you can have that scheduled agent take an initial pass on what it thinks it should do, and also list out the feedback it found valuable.